Fiat's compact electric vehicle is perfect for city driving, offering both style and practicality in an eco-friendly package. The Hyundai Kona Electric is one of the top electric compact SUVs, offering an excellent combination of range, features, and affordability. With 201 horsepower, an impressive 300-mile range, and 40-minute charging, starting around $36,000. A great option for those who want an electric SUV with long range and plenty of features without breaking the bank. The Chevrolet Bolt EV has been a leader in affordable electric vehicles and continues to impress with its 2025 model. With 200 horsepower, 259-mile range and 100 miles of range in just 30 minutes of charging, starting at $27,000. The Bolt EV remains one of the best affordable electric vehicles, offering solid performance and impressive range. BYD's Dolphin is an exciting electric car coming to markets worldwide, especially for those looking for an affordable option with solid features. With an estimated 94 horsepower, 205-mile range, and 40-minute charging, expected to start around just $22,000.